Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Corolla front bumper, only way. Start by assessing the damage and collecting tools: a socket set, plastic pry tools, replacement clips, and safety gloves. Remove the trim, fog lights, and any fasteners carefully, keeping screws organized. Check the bumper reinforcement and brackets for bends, and decide whether to bend back or replace parts. Keep parts labeled, and take photos for reassembly reference to save time later. Begin removal by unbolting the bumper from the wheel wells and underside, then remove any attached lights or splash guards. When clips resist, work slowly with pry tools to avoid damage and store fasteners in labeled bags. For small cracks, use plastic welding or high-strength epoxy, then sand smooth and apply flexible primer. For larger damage, consider replacing the cover or reinforcement and test fit before paint to confirm alignment and gaps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a simple upgrade for your ride. It pairs nicely with a fresh bumper and a clean interior. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully reattach the bumper by aligning tabs and brackets, then loosely install bolts to allow small adjustments. Have a partner hold the bumper in place while you check panel gaps and symmetry, then torque bolts to factory specs. Reinstall lights, sensors, and splash guards, ensuring connectors are secure and tests confirm functionality. Finally, check for any rubbing or loose spots during a slow drive and red item as needed for a clean, factory look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.